Welcome to the Antigravity CLI course. Antigravity is Google's terminal coding agent, the 2026 successor to Gemini CLI, and you drive it with the AG command. In Lesson 1, we start at the very beginning, getting it wired into your shell and launching your first session so the tool is ready to work from any project you open. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are in a fresh terminal right after installing the binary. Let's finish the setup and launch it. The very first thing we do after installing the binary is run ag install. That single command wires the tool into your shell, setting up your path and your profile so the ag command works from anywhere on your machine. Watch it work for a moment. It's editing your shell profile, adding ag to your path, and registering the aliases, so you can reach the agent from any directory without touching a config file by hand. And it's done. The shell is configured and the command is ready to go. If you'd rather it leave your path alone, the skip path flag does exactly that, and skip aliases preserves any aliases you already had set up. Now for the payoff. Typing ag on its own launches an interactive session, right here in the current directory. That's the full terminal agent, ready to read your files and make changes on your say-so. You can also hand it a task immediately. Passing a prompt in quotes launches straight into that instruction instead of an empty session, so the agent starts working the moment you press enter. One thing worth knowing as we begin. Under the hood, this shares the very same agent harness as the Antigravity desktop app, so what you learn here in the terminal carries straight over to the editor. Here's what to keep from this first lesson. So ag install wires the tool into your shell, so the ag command works from any directory on your machine. Typed on its own, the tool opens an interactive session in the current folder, a full terminal agent ready to work. You can also pass a quoted prompt to launch straight into a task, or use the skip flags to leave your path and aliases untouched. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 2, where the print flag runs antigravity without the terminal interface.